Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be creating this festive shimmery mauve look. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Starting off with a clean and bare face, I'll do my eyebrows first, and I'm using iMagic brow pomade with a spoolie and angle brush. I will be just filling in the gaps in my brows, just normal. Brush the eyebrows to distribute the products evenly. And now for some eyeshadow, I'm using the ZZ Beauty eyeshadow palette and a gesso brush. I'm going to blend this color in the crease until I get the desired intensity. I'm going to build the color up. Then with a slightly darker color, I will be taking a petite blender brush and I will be placing the color at first in the outer V and then do circular motion to blend it out. Then with a darker chocolate brown color, I will be doing diagonal strokes inside to just bring a bit of depth. Then I'm just cutting my crease with a little bit of concealer. Then I'm going to wet the brush with the Elegirl Pro setting spray and use two shimmery colors. I'm just going to place the shimmery colors and just blend it with the existing matte shadows. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner with a pen eyeliner. This is from Says Lady, but it could not cover the shimmer particles, so I'm just using a gel eyeliner, then just cleaning it up. Then for foundation, I'm using the Fit Me foundation and the Fit Me concealer. Just blending it out with the brush at first, then I'll be using a sponge later. Then I'm just using the concealer to hide my dark circles on the bridge of the nose to bring some light in the center of my face, and also some on the chin and in the forehead. Just blending it out with a Bling Beauty brush. Then using the Fit Me powder, I'm going to just slightly blot my face in my oilier T-zones, not in the whole face actually. Then some shadow in the lower lash line. I'm going to use the same shadows and then some inner corner highlight. Then I will be bronzing up my face and highlighting also with the Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar Rose 2 to get that glow. The highlighters is super pigmented. Then for lashes, I'm using the Bling Beauty Paparazzi 7. Then just blending it with the wet sponge to absorb all the powder. Then using the Says Lady liquid lipstick. Actually the shade is 06. And voila, the look is complete. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.